Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good everyone. Let's me introduce myself. My name is Sulastri, postgraduate student from Basic Education Muhammadiyah Purwokerto University. I would like to present my research study about analysis of e-readiness in distance learning at Korwil Camdindik Public Elementary School, Kedung Banteng, Banyumas, Regency. Introduction. Based on Purwanto et al. 2020, due to the pandemic COVID-19 at level of education are carried out online or distance learning without face-to-face. Distance learning provides different challenges for teachers, students, and school, especially for Banyumas Regency area. At their level, a lot of e-learning has begun to be implemented during the distance learning. To optimize the implementation of e-learning requiring the readiness of both infrastructure and school organizational culture. Based on this problem, this research on the readiness to implement e-learning at the time of distance learning is very rarely carried out at the basic education level, so it needs to be done. To be considered for schools that have implemented e-learning, so that it can be decided carefully because this distance learning activity is predicted to be long. Method. This research method is described study using a questionnaire which a research method using ILR Aydin and Taski 2005, which has been adapted to be used in research, including some factors. The first is a human, the second is self-development, the third is technology, and the last is innovation. Based on the research method, the data analysis technique used the checklist method on the approach by choice on the questionnaire sheet. The score used namely 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. For each response assessment, for the respondent will obtain a total score then calculated using the following formula. X bar equals sigma x divided by n. For X bar is final score, sigma x is total score, then the n is number of respondents. If result of the total score 1 until 2.6, it means the school is not ready or needs a lot of improvement. If the result of the total score 2.6 until the 0.4, it means the school is not ready or a lot of improvement. If the result of the total score 3.4, it means the school is expected level to be ready. If the result of the total score 3.4 until 4.2, it means this school is ready but needs a little improvement. If the result of the total score 4.2 until 5, it means the school is ready and the application of e-learning can be continued. This is the result of the research. The table 1 is final score result of e-readiness in public elementary school Korwil Camdindik Kedung Banteng, Banyumas. For human score is total score 313, then ALR score is 3.3. It means the school not ready, needs enrichment improvement. For self-development factor is total score 408, then ALR score is 3.8. It means the school ready but needs a slight improvement. Technology factor is total score 519, then ALR score is 3.6. It means the school ready but needs a slight improvement. For innovation factor is total score 225, then ELR score is 3.8. It means the school ready but the needs improvement. For the total ARR high school is 14,065, and this ELR score 3.6. The school is for self-development factor is total score 418. ELR score is 3.8. It means the school ready but needs a little improvement. Based on the table 1, the final score of readiness implementation has X 3.6. It means it is above 3.41. This indicator that the public elementary school in Corville Camdin Kedung Banteng, Banyumas Regency is ready to implement e-learning but requires a slight improvement. Based on the ALR factor result, on this research, I suggest some improvement to increase the implementation of e-readiness. The first, for human factor, the comprehensive and sustainable e-learning training program to increase the factors and regularity in carrying out e-learning implementation policies. For the self-development factor, I suggest improvement in teacher e-learning competence, increasing self-confidence in implementing e-learning, and increase in the provision of budget fund for the implementation of e-learning. The third, for technological factor, I suggest the addition of instructor in anticipating the constraint on the stable state of the internet due to natural conditions such as time and mountainous contour. In the Start Elementary School in Corville Camdin di Kedung Banteng, Banyumas, causing the signal to sometimes fluctuate to that it the implementation of e-learning. Therefore, the innovation factor, renewal and creativity in the implementation of e-learning programs. Conclusion. Based on the result and discussion in the description above, the readiness for e-learning during distance learning at the Corville Camdin Public Elementary School, Kedung Banteng, Banyumas Regency is in the ready category. It requires a slight increase with a final ELR score of 3.6. For each ELR factor, there is delphic or unprepared requiring a slight improvement is a human with an ELR score of 3.3. The other factors that are considered successful already require a slight modification. Source of self-improvement with an ELR score of 3.8. Technology for an ELR score of 3.6 and innovation in a score of 3.8. The all my research presentation, I would like to thank the postgraduate program for elementary education at the Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto for allowing them to carry out research and public research result. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.